We all know that it's best practice in a down market to increase and even raise your marketing spend. However, let's look around at what's going on in the business world right now. Pay rises aren't keeping up with inflation. The cost of living is increasing. Positions aren't being filled. Lots of businesses are going through an exercise of cost cutting and cost control. While that's in place, it's very unlikely, even if it is best practice, that they're suddenly going to turn around to the marketing team and give them extra increased money and revenue to spend, even though that should be the stuff that brings in revenue. But what can you do? I think now's a good time to review your tech marketing stack and your go-to-market and what you do. Are there some AI solutions you can bring into the business that will work? Have you got the right process and right system in place? Have you got a CRM that works with this new technology to bring marketing automation in? There's so many things out there. Can you right size what you've got so you can be more efficient with the resources you have and have a wider reach? Are you spending in the right areas? Just because you've been to a conference 24 times and had no leads, should you go to that? Or should you reinvest that in some clever Google advertising, something that generates leads and increases your brand awareness and outreach? Is now the time when people are less busy? You should be looking at your content, not just for today, but for next year, 2 years. Can you start building that stuff in? What campaigns can you have that have the maximum effect? And how are you going to support those campaigns with your people? How they're going to go out, who they're going to talk to, who they're going to engage with, how they're going to follow up. Are you doing some of the simple stuff? If you're sending out a newsletter, who's engaging with it? If someone is clicking on your newsletter 7 times, if they're clicking on a certain article 4 times, it makes sense that you would go out and talk to them and say, hey, are you struggling with this right now? Don't have to say you stalk them, but say, look, I just wonder, this is a common issue with many of our clients. Are you seeing this in the market? Is this something you'd like to talk to? How about we have a coffee and catch up and discuss that issue? There's so many things you can do creatively. Make the most of what you got and engage with clients. The more you engage with clients, the more you will increase your market share, even in a market when people are spending less, and you'll be the ones that come out on top. So remember, if you've enjoyed this, like and subscribe to our channel. That's BD Tips Tuesday for this week, and see you next time.